The moose is a browsing herbivore and is capable of consuming many types of plant or fruit. The average adult moose needs to consume 40.9 megajoules, 9,770 kilocalories, per day to maintain its body weight. Much of a moose's energy is derived from terrestrial vegetation. Mainly consisting of forbs and other non-grasses, and fresh shoots from trees such as willow and birch. These plants are rather low in sodium. And moose generally need to consume a good quantity of aquatic plants, while much lower in energy. Aquatic plants provide the moose with its sodium. And as much as half of their diet usually consists of aquatic plant life. In winter, moose are often drawn to roadways, to lick salt that is used as a snow and ice melter. A typical moose, weighing 360 kilograms, 794 pounds, can eat up to 32 kilograms, 71 pounds, of food per day. Moose lack upper front teeth, but have 8 sharp incisors on the lower jaw. They also have a tough tongue, lips and gums, which aid in the eating of woody vegetation. Moose have 6 pairs of large, flat molars and, ahead of those, 6 pairs of premolars, to grind up their food. A moose's upper lip is very sensitive, to help distinguish between fresh shoots and harder twigs, and is prehensile, for grasping their food. In the summer, moose may use this prehensile lip for grabbing branches and pulling, stripping the entire branch of leaves in a single mouthful.